Hello students, today we are going to learn the first chapter of corporate accounting is the amalgamation of joint stock company. Amalgamation of companies. What is the meaning by amalgamation? Which types of company come together and form new company? Just today we have to discuss about amalgamation of company. Amalgamation means two company come together and form new company. That is a amalgamation. It means amalgamation refers two or more company come together and establish new company. Two or more companies dissolve their old business and form new company. That is amalgamation. We take example with the help of diagram. Here is A Limited, another company is B Limited. A Limited and B Limited, two company dissolve their company and form new company is called as AB Limited. When AB Limited, this new company established, the old company A and B Limited lost their existence. Total existence of old companies and start new company, that is AB Limited. This is amalgamation. The condition is two or more companies come together, establish new company. The shareholder of old company become shareholder of new company. That is the simple. We have given some short definition. Amalgamation refers to merge of two or more companies. It refers two or more companies, they merge and come together. What is the purpose of amalgamation of companies? What is motive behind it? To avoid competition. Old companies, they want to avoid competition. They want to get monopoly in the market. They want to form new large company. They want to use common technique and run the business. They want to run business without cutthroat competition. They want take big advantages of their experiences. So these all objectives behind to establish new company. So we can say that is amalgamation. These are the objectives. We have to fulfill objectives with the help of amalgamation of companies. That's all. Next term is purchase consideration. In amalgamation of companies, there is a term purchase consideration. What is a purchase consideration? Purchase consideration refers purchase price of old company. What is the price of old company? We have to find out the purchase price of old company, the value of old company, that is a purchase consideration. Okay, students, in short, I have given specific definition, that is, purchase consideration means the purchase price paid by the new company to the shareholders of old company is called purchase consideration. Old company is there. Old company, it has its own value. There are types of value given by the new company. It means new company paid the price to old company, then after that will be purchase consideration. Without purchase consideration, no any company will go in new company. It is not possible. Okay. The methods for amalgamating of companies, there are specific method, two methods. One is net asset method, which are going to learn in this chapter. It is given by university for you. And next method is net payment method. Just we take net asset method, which is very important as per the syllabus. Net asset method. What refers net asset method is give the price for purchase consideration. Net payment asset method find out purchase consideration with the help of some formation. Assets of old company taken by new company at market value. First of all, we have to ascertain the assets value as per the market value. Then after, we have to ascertain the value of liabilities of old companies. Assets of old company, its value. Then we have to find out liabilities of the old company. After finding two value, asset value as per market value and liabilities value as per payable value, then after asset value minus liabilities, we get purchase consideration. It means purchase consideration comes from two value, asset value as per market value less liabilities as per payable value, then we get purchase consideration. It means assets of old company taken by new company at market value less liabilities of old company taken by new company at payable value, then we get purchase consideration. Old company get purchase consideration, old company gets value, old company gets amount from the new company. New company means Vendi company. Vendi company gives amount to the old company, then after it will become total amalgamation of companies. Okay. Then after net payment method. Next method is net payment method. It is not important as per the syllabus, but we just discuss what is a net payment method. Whenever we go for net payment method, there is a swap ratio. What? Swap ratio. With the help of swap ratio, we find out net payment which has been given to old company by new company. that is a net payment method with the help of swap ratio. Take example, old company and new company. Old company has equity shares. Suppose number of equity shares 1 in old company, and new company gives 5 equity shares, 5 number of equity shares to the old company. The ratio will be 1:5. Old company has 1 shares, and in return new company gives 5 equity shares for old company's equity per equity share. So ratio will be 1:5. Old preference shares, old company's preference shares 2, number of 2, and new company gives 3 preference shares for per 2 equity shares. It means the ratio will be 2:3. Such type of ratio help to find out net payment. So it is a net payment method. Net payment method, swap ratio. With the help of swap ratio, we find out net payment method and net asset method. Total assets of old company, asset of old company taken by new company at market value, less liabilities of old company taken by new company at payable value, then we get purchase consideration. So this is amalgamation, net asset method and net payment method. In as per our syllabus, we need to learn net asset method. Some problem we take in next period. Till then, we stop here. Thank you.